Good morning, everybody. In this video, I'm going to explain to you why you're going to see a dark rectangle when you bring this file into Design Space. I designed it in Cricut a lot, and I created weeding boxes around everything. Everything is grouped here so that when you move things around, they all move together. So I'm showing you now what happens when you upload this file into Design Space and what you need to do so that things look okay for you. So I'm going to need to upload my images, and you can only do this on the desktop version of Design Space. You can't do it from an iPad or an iPhone or an Android device. So I'm going to click Upload Images. I'm going to click Upload Image, and I'm going to browse for my image. So I'm going to use the one that I showed on the screen, which was I'm watching the maple leaves. It's in SVG format, and I'm going to open that here. So it's making a liar out of me, and it's showing it the way it should be, but when it brings it in, let's see. Okay, so now I'm selecting that image to put it on my mat. You see part of this, but not all of it. You see a white rectangle over this. And you're going to see there's all kinds of pieces here in the layers. Those are all the letters. Once you have your file in Design Space, select it, and then right-click to ungroup it, and you'll be able to move this rectangle out of the way. Move the other rectangle out of the way. Then you're going to select all of your text here, right-click, and weld. And the reason for that is because you're going to need to slice these letters out of this rectangle. And to be able to do that, you can only use 2 layers. So your text, now that it's welded, is one piece. This is another piece. So now you have 2 pieces, and you will be able to slice that. So I'm moving the rectangle back to my letters. I'm going to select all of this. And then I'm going to align the center horizontally and vertically so that everything is centered within my box. With everything selected, I can now right-click and choose Slice, or I can choose Slice over here in the Layers panel. Either way will work. It does the same thing. So I'm clicking Slice. Now you can pull away this rectangle, or the letters, whatever pulls away. You can delete that. There's another layer there for whatever reason. I can delete that. And now you see that the letters are cut out of this rectangle the same as it is over here. Now you can bring this back over, because this is a weeding box. It just makes life a lot easier for you, especially if you're making multiples. Once that is done, I'm going to arrange it so that that weeding box is at the very back and everything else shows in front. Then I'm going to select everything and group it. So now when you move this around, everything is together. But the next thing I need to do is I need to attach all of that, because if I don't, I'm going to show you what happens. When I click Go, it rearranges what's on my mat, and I don't want that. This is sliced, so that won't rearrange your letters, but it's moved my weeding box so that it's over here on the side. This is over here, and then the other image is down on another mat, and I don't want that. I want everything to cut exactly where I had placed it on the screen. So I'm going to X out of here. I'm going to select all of this, and I'm going to select Attach, either in the Layers panel, or I can right-click and choose Attach. Now that that's done, when I click Go, it all lines it all up for me on one mat, and I'm ready to go. It doesn't matter that the text here is black and that it's red over here. It will just all cut fine. Once you're sure everything is fine and your mat size is correct, if you need to do multiples, you might want to choose a 12 by 24 mat, which is over here. Once you're ready to go, then you just click Go and you cut that on your Cricut Explorer. So I hope this has been helpful to you. Thanks so much for watching.